Привет! Сегодня я расскажу о 10 ошибках, которые русскоговорящие делают каждый день, когда говорят по-английски. Если хочешь звучать как носитель, оставайся до конца.
I am agree with you. Correct. I agree with you. Agree is a verb. We don't use am with it. How do you think? Correct. What do you think? In English we ask what, not how. I very like it. Correct. I really like it. Use really with verbs, not very. I have 25 years. Correct. I am 25 years old. In English we use to be for age. I'm in the bus. Correct. I'm on the bus. We use on for transportation. I'm agree with you. Correct. I agree with you. Don't use I'm with agree. I want to say you. Correct. I want to tell you. Say plus something. Tell plus someone. I'm very interesting. Correct. I'm very interested. Interesting describes things. Interested describes people. I'm going to home. Correct. I'm going home. We don't use to with home. I didn't slept. Correct. I didn't sleep. After didn't, we use base verb form. I don't have cash. Correct. I don't have any cash. After don't have, we need any, not nothing. I'm interesting in it. I'm interested in it. You use interested, not interesting, for people. She very beautiful. She is very beautiful. Need verb to be is am are with adjectives. I'm working now. Call me later. Correct. I'm working now, so call me later. We need so for reason result connection.
Если хочешь больше таких видео, подписывайся. Пиши в комментариях, какие ошибки ты делаешь чаще всего.